second driver in the Ribbon Arc Motorsports 12-hour Challenge Cup. This stint is raining. My object is to get through the race, quick times, don't put the car off the track, and bring it home to the next driver. That's the challenge.
Now for the first few hours, since it's raining, it's all about survival for these guys. Nakapag-practice man sila in the wet. We expect better weather in the latter hours. For Ribbon Arc Motorsports here in the Philippines. First time for me at Clark International Speedway. First time in the V1. We had a really good week, a lot of testing, a lot of practice. Made a lot of progress and then started the race this morning. Difficult conditions. It was raining a lot. The track was really, really wet. Made a little mistake early on. Then we found a good rhythm. So now it's all about just consistency and bringing it home.
Hi, my name's Tom Day. I'm a racing driver from England. First time out here in the Philippines and first time driving the V1. Had a really good time so far, only been here a week. So it's been a very, I'd say, steep learning curve. John, Quattro and the rest of the team have been really good in helping me develop as much as I can. Weather is changeable, so like it is back in the UK, so hopefully that works in my favour. Bit of rain, bit of sun, should be right at home.
Running the V1. In the dry, I think it's a very, very fast car, but in the wet, it's quite the opposite. I was a little bit late getting some practice sessions. I got a little bit when it was light rain and a bit breezy, but not heavy rain. It'll be an experience. I really like the track. It's quite challenging, but yeah, more miles under the belt would always help.
First time driving the V1 in the wet. The main aim of that was basically not to spin it, pick a pace and keep going because you lose 20 seconds. We're only getting 20-25 laps up, so there's no point in trying to push and find that extra second.
If ever you go with then push. Okay, this one, slow down. Okay, then box. Okay, I understand.
in Japan, 18 and 2019, Fuji and Motegi Scuba, and 2 series champion. From attack only.
Attack only.
Attack and no cost of safety drive.
Yeah.
Final stint si Kazuki Takemura sa akin. We are 3 laps down kanina. And after 5 laps, we are 6 to 10 seconds faster from the guys in front na hinahabol natin. We are expecting them to pit. So, meron pang huling refuel.